everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Friends, front cut kurti designs are really very uncomfortable to wear sometimes. So in this video, I am showing you few designs so that you can get some idea about the styling you can do with your front cut kurtis and feel comfortable to wear. So please continue watching the video till the end and let me know if you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.